multiple of 6, which means you will chain up 6, 6, 6, 6 until you reach your desired width. So you're going to do a single crochet on the 7th, at the 7th chain from the hook, in the 7th chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And turn it around. You're going to chain 3, skip 2 chains into a single crochet. Chain 5, skip 2 chains into a single crochet in the 3rd. Chain 3, skip 2 into a single crochet in the 3rd chain. Chain 5, skip 2, single crochet in the 3rd. Then you're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip 2, single crochet in the 3rd. So you should end with a chain 3 right here. So it's chain 3, skip 2, single crochet, chain 5, skip 2, single crochet, chain 3, and so forth. So here you should have 2 chains left. You're going to chain 2, and then going to do a double crochet in the very last chain. So this is your foundation row. So for row number 2, you're going to chain up 1, going to single crochet in the very same space. Sorry, I should have that on this side, of course. Then you're going to jump over to this chain 3 space, and you're going to, you're going to chain 2, jump to this chain 3 space, and you're going to do a double crochet. Chain 2, and the chain 5, in the chain 5 space, you're going to do a single crochet. Chain 2, chain 3 space, a double crochet. Chain 2, chain 5 space gets a single crochet. Chain 2, chain 3 gets a double crochet. And then, so that would be your second row. So here we're at the end. So you chain 2, and then here's where you would more or less find the 3rd chain, where you do a single crochet on top of that one, which is kind of weird here. Okay, try this way. So there, this is what it should look like. Okay, so row 3, you're going to chain up 5. Then you're going to jump to this chain 2 space, and you're going to do a single crochet. You're going to chain 3. And then in this next chain 2 space, you're going to do a single crochet. Chain 5. And this, hold on. And sorry, in this next chain 2, you're going to do a single crochet. So here I chained, oops, I should have chained, did I chain 5? No, I didn't, okay. So then you're going to do a single crochet, chain 3, in the next chain 2 space, single crochet, chain 5, next chain 2 space, single crochet, and then chain 3, last chain 2 space, single crochet, Then you're going to chain 2. Then you're going to find your double crochet here, which I cannot see, so I'm going to put it in here. So you're going to do your crochet. That is what it looks like now. Is that what it should look like? Yeah. Okay. So next is row, let me just mark these, 4, 5. So the repeat rows is 2 to 5. So next is row 4. So we're going to single crochet, chain up 1, and then single crochet in the first chain space, right there in the first space. Then you're going to jump to this chain 3. Here's 5, should be 5, 3, 5, 3, 5, 3, 5. So in this 3, you're going to do 5 double crochets. Then you're going to skip to the next, it should be the chain 5 space. Do a single crochet, chain 3 space, do your 5 double crochets. Sorry for the squeaky noise. This it's the yarn and the loom thing here. In the next space, you're going to do your single crochet. And then the next space, you're going to do your 5 double crochets. And that's how you would do, that's for row 4. That's what it looks like. So you're at the end, and then you would look for the top of the chain. Well, actually, yeah, this was 5, so more or less, let's do it right there. Do your single crochet. Yeah, that's what, okay. So the next is your row 5. So row 5, you're going to chain up 5. Then what you're going to do is you're going to skip this first double crochet, and the next one you're going to do a single crochet, and you're going to chain 3, and then you're going to skip this double crochet in this last one. Wait, did I do 5 or did I do 4? Okay, I did. So it is important that you actually do the 5 double crochets here. There. Okay. Because then they'll throw off the pattern, of course. So your 5 chains, which is your double crochet, chain 2. So again, skip this first one, do your single crochet, chain 3, skip 1, and the next one, do your other single crochet. Then you're going to chain 5, and you're going to jump this double crochet and single crochet in this double crochet, and you're going to single crochet in this one. So then you're going to chain 3, you're going to skip 1 double crochet and then single crochet in the next. You're going to chain 5, skip 1 double crochet, single crochet, double crochet, and then in the next one, single crochet, chain 3, skip 1, and in the next one, single crochet. So that is all you're going to do for row 5. Okay, so you're at the very end. So we did this last single crochet. We're going to chain 2, and then we're going to do a double crochet on top of the single crochet. It doesn't, well, it doesn't have to be perfect. As long as it's aligned, I guess that's what I'm trying to say. Which I cannot get this thing in here now. As long as it's aligned like this, it's good. Should be fine, as long as it's straight. So that's row 5. So you would repeat row 2 to 5. So I'm going to do row 2. And then you can just continue the pattern. So row 2 says you're going to chain up 1, and then you're going to do a single crochet in this very same space. And a chain 2. And in this chain 3 space, you're going to do a double crochet. Chain 2, chain 5 space, single crochet. Chain 2, double crochet in the chain 3 space, chain 2, single crochet in the chain 5 space, chain 2, double crochet, the chain 3 space, and then at the end chain 2, and then you're going to do your double, more or less try to do it on the 3rd chain, but again, as long as it's straight, it doesn't have to be that perfect. I guess, I mean, the way I see it is as long as it works out fine, you don't have to like look for the 3rd chain, and as long as it looks straight. So that's the pattern. I think this is a cute pattern. It's a good pattern. It's a cute pattern for like probably a wrap, or you can, you know, make a blanket. Probably not a baggy blanket because they can, you know, their little toes can get caught unless you're using like a blanket, like when you're just I can't explain it. To cover the baby, like a regular blanket, and then you can put this on top to keep him warm, him or her warm. So that's just a suggestion. But that's it. Easy once you get the hang of it. And again, that's repeat rows from 2 to 5. Please email me with any questions. I hope you learned something new today, and thank you for watching.